What do you think about your dreams? Are you serious about your dreams? Or leave your dreams and follow the normal path what people say you? It's on you, my man. If you want to chase your dreams, you can chase your dreams. Today, we'll be discussing about what is dreams, why you should chase your dreams. Moving to first one, dreams. What does dream mean to you? What do you want to do with your dreams? It's on you to decide what to do. Dreams are something that we dream about. We want to be that one in our life. So, I dream to be successful. What is the meaning of that? Be successful, retire my parents. That's the dream, my man. So, dreaming is like that. So, we dream, and in the future, we want to be that. If you want to chase your dreams, my man, firstly begin with make a layout. After making a layout, it will be easy to achieve your dreams. You get closer and closer. So I'm saying to make goals, make a path, make goals. You complete first level, you jump on second level. You complete second level, so make that things, make a goals in the day, so you can chase your dreams. So are you obsessed with your dreams? Are you gonna do anything to chase your dream? Moving on to second one, subconscious mind that stores everything. It's mainly what you do in your daily routine, all that stuff. How you take decisions and what will influence you. I would say to make your subconscious mind tough as rock, because in this world there are a lot of things that can distract you and that can brainwash you, I would say. Follow the path of God and make your subconscious mind tough as rock. If you want to be a disciplined man, your brain should be tough, right? Mentality and your brain should be tough. But what part of your brain is used? Your subconscious mind, man. The thoughts and all that stuff, that's your subconscious mind. So you should be tough as rock in your subconscious mind. Analyze things. If you want to be that thing, to achieve that thing, what can you do? So moving on to third one, the important one. What is the meaning of your dreams? What is the meaning? What is meant to you? What do you think about your dreams? What's your feeling about your dreams? So for me, dreams are something that I like to chase. That's the meaning of my dream. You should be obsessed with your dreams, man. What can you do to chase your dreams? Are you going all in to chase your dreams? Next one is self-discovery. How you discover your things, man. So discover what you like to do. That's the main thing. Self-discovery is mostly what you like to do and how do you want to do. That's self-discovery. Discover about yourself, what's your hobbies, what's your main interests, and how you would pursue that things. That's self-discovery. Self-discovery is also how you make friends, how you discover the people, all right, how you discover the like-minded people. So that's the main thing, and you find that things are worthy in your life and you started implementing in your life. So that's self-discovery. And I will give an example of self-discovery is like if you admire successful people, okay, and you discover something that they are doing, all right, also you will implement that thing in your life, right? If you're seeing the people who are way ahead in your life, already achieved their dreams, already have the success in life, you see them, you start discovering things, what they used to do, how they get disciplined in life, how they pursue their dreams. So you discover these things, right? After you discover that things, you start implementing that things. So this is mainly self-discovery. Moving on to the next one, inner thoughts. This is a very personal one because I also get pinched by inner thoughts. Inner thoughts are something like what you will do if you are effed in life, effed in this thing. Alright? This is inner thoughts. You are not capable. That's inner thoughts. That's impossible. That's inner thought. You think these things, right? So, what people say? People say to keep these things aside. Don't listen to these things because inner thoughts are something like a personal feeling at that moment. Now we are going to the last one, last and final point, dream analysis. So every man analyzes the things. how he's doing and how he's going to do. So he will be analyzing things. So don't be emotional while analyzing things. Be a tough one. All right. If you be emotional, you can't make decisions. Analyzing something like, are you doing well while doing that thing? I analyze things. I analyze what I'm doing. Am I making a good decision? Am I making a decision that can prolong my career, or can I be successful in that career? That's analyzing. All right. Analyzing is a vital thing in your life, because you can scale that thing and you can do right thing at a right time while analyzing things. If I'm not doing well in football, what I do, I pursue another career. That's analyzing. So you make decisions while analyzing. So analyze things, analyze what to do and what not to do. You get a brief idea, man. Start analyzing now. So start analyzing, am I doing right thing at this moment? If I do this thing, can make me successful in my career. That if that doesn't, I don't do that thing. That's analyzing. All right. Join my channel, join the journey, and be a young man, ambitious man. Chase your dreams, man. Peace. See you, man.